Welcome to our lesson about the Ellipse command. Let's left-click on the icon with the oval right here. First thing to do is specify a center point. We can do that with a click in the drawing area. Next, we specify the endpoint of the first axis. And the third click is when we specify the endpoint of the second axis. As you can see, an ellipse is essentially a circle with two axes. The larger or longer axis is called the major axis. The smaller axis is called the minor axis. Let's create another ellipse. Activate the tool. First, we specify a center point. Now let's activate ortho mode. Enter 5 in the command line and press Enter. And for the minor axis, let's enter 2 in the command line, press Enter. Now we've got an ellipse with a major axis of 10 units and a minor axis of 4 units. We've been using the ellipse center method. Let's try another sub-option, axis end. This is a 3-point ellipse. The first and second points are the length of the major axis. The third point is the distance between the center and the endpoint of the minor axis. This third ellipse is identical to our second ellipse. The last method is the elliptical arc. It's how you create an open profile. The first 2 points set the major axis. The third point is the distance between the center and the end of the minor axis. We need a fourth point to set the angle or length of the arc. I've turned ortho mode off for this. And this concludes our tutorial about using the ellipse command.